Hello students, my name is Shazia Khan and today I am going to teach you grammar and my topic is noun and their kinds. What is noun? Noun is very common word in grammar. The definition of noun is very simple. A noun is a person, a place, a thing or an idea. Examples of noun: person, boy, girl, doctor, Tom, etc. Place, city, France, street, home, etc. Thing, computer, apple, money, glass, etc. Idea, love, emotion, beauty, etc. And the last one is animals. Kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun. First one is common noun. Second one is proper noun. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is abstract noun. And last one is material noun. First one is proper noun. What is proper noun? So let's discuss about the proper noun. The definition of proper noun is a special name of a particular person, place, book, movie, etc. Begin with capital letter. Example: Ahmed, Patrick, National Zoo, Jaya Vasco, Malika, Johor, Tuesday, January, England. Educational, psychology, etc. are the examples of proper noun. See, here is very common. The first letter is capital, so is known as noun. Second one is common noun. What is common noun? A common noun is a noun which is given common to a person, place or thing. For example, I study English in campus. So here campus is a common noun. He is working at hotel. Here hotel is common noun. She had visited many countries. So here country is a common noun. So these are the examples of common noun for use commonly. Next topic is abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun is the name of a quality or an idea that we cannot see, smell, hear, taste or touch. That which we can only feel or think of. For example, have patience. Here patience is a feeling. So feeling is an abstract noun. The same example is another one. With courage you can win. So your courage is also abstract noun. I shall act upon this advice. So your advice is abstract noun. Freedom. Freedom is a great blessing of Allah. So here freedom is a abstract noun. So these are the examples of abstract noun that we cannot see, hear, smell, taste or touch. Same examples you also can make in your notebook. Now we will move to the next one as material noun. Material noun is a substance, a material or an ingredient we can see and touch, which is used for making thing. Whatever thing we have to make, we need material to make the things. For example, gold, coal, wheat, rubber, etc. are the examples of material noun. Material noun usually uncountable. Uncountable, the thing which we cannot count, that is called uncountable noun. The examples of uncountable noun is: this window is made of glass. Here glass is a material noun. So This is the example of material noun. Collective noun. Next one is collective noun. What is collective noun? Another types of common noun, collective noun refer to a group of things or people. They are usually singular words that represent a number of different things. Singulars means a single things, a single persons, a single place. We will talk. For example, a crowd of people, a bunch of grapes, a swarm of bees. These are the examples of collective noun. I hope you all will understood what is noun and their kinds. Thank you.